Hello guys, this is my day 11 of self-improvement. Yesterday I talked about habit change. There are three types of habit change. First is process outcome based habit, second is process based, and third is identity based. Now today I'm going to deep inside these topics. First talk about outcome habit. In this habit, a person is only determined to only determined on the outcome that he get by developing that habit. He does not think about the process, the steps that he has to do for achieving that outcome. Instead they focus only on reward, and this type of habit is very irrelevant, as a person does not focus on learning, rather they focus on only the achievements. So this type of habit should not be developed. One should not develop these type of habits. Second is process based habit. This habit is a good habit because when you develop a process based habit, you try to focus on the process. You start focusing on the process, the mechanism, how to achieve that goal, the steps that you are going to do for achieving those, to become what can I say, when a person develop a process based habit, then he's a greater chance of being success than the person who has developed only outcome based habit. Now the third is identity based habit. These habits are the best I can say the best habit which a person should develop, because in this habit a person not only focuses on the process, but also it changes the fundamental quality of a person. There are two steps in it. First, the person chooses the quality of a person that he want to become. For example, a boy of suppose 19 or 20 years is want to become a person who is good in studies, who is good in non-academics, like he is calisthenics. He can do calisthenics. He is I can say he enjoy loneliness, and he want to learn of fighting skills and all this type of extracurricular activity. So he decided that he want to become that type of person who know all this, who possesses all these qualities, like learning new language, at least three languages. So these are the qualities. The person first chooses that he should develop these habits, and he become a person of that kind. And then he try to work on it, and started proving that he is a person of that category. So first he chooses the category of a person that he want to become, and then he performs some work to prove that he has the quality of that person. He started believing that he is that kind of person which he want to become. For example, if a person who is a smoker, and when you ask him to smoke cigarette, then he said no. There are two type of answer. First, he say that no, I am trying to stop smoking, and the another type of answer is no, I am not a smoker. In both the cases, the person who was answering was earlier is a smoker, but now in first case, when he answered that he try to not to smoke, he only attempts. He does not believe that he can. He just only try to stop the smoking. And in the second case, when the person says that I am not a smoker, he not only forbids the situation where the temptation of smoking will generate in his mind, but also he by calling the word not smoker, he direct his mind that he is of that category of person, he is in that category of person who does not smoke. So there are a lot of examples of it where a person can do activities based on identity based. So the basic two step of identity based habit is: first, choose the person that you want to become and identify the qualities that the such person have, and then second step is to perform perform that type of work to prove that you have the quality of that person, or you become that person, you is that kind of person. So this is a first in the instance, first case, first topic, sorry. Second is how to develop a habit. So there are 4 steps given in the book, which is: first, make it obvious, that is, make it a very usual way. For example, if you want to learn a musical instrument, or you want to learn some new habit, then make it usual that you every day do it. For example, if you want to learn a language, then make it usual that you at least study 1 hour or 45 minutes every day, that subject. For making it obvious, you can take various steps, like when you decide that when you do that activity, before that I will do study a half an hour, and after doing that I will study half an hour. So like this you can make your habit that you want to learn, that you want to make obvious. So let's suppose you want to learn a Japanese language, and so when you spend whole of your day, the place when you spend whole of your day, then and the place when you spend whole of your day, put in that place a book of Japanese study. So whenever you see that book, your brain recall that you have to study Japanese. So by doing this kind of activities, you are able to memorize your brain that you have to study, you have to learn a new subject, and thus it will make a habit. So to become a habit, the first step is make it obvious. Make it